What's up po mga paps, here we go again for another video, maintenance video on our Suzuki Gixxer 155. Okay, since last video po guys, no, nag-maintenance tayo ng ating Yamaha Mio Gravis. Now, we're gonna basic maintenance lang po ng ating Suzuki Gixxer 155. Ito. So, the most basic maintenance ng ating Suzuki Gixxer, yan lang po yung tanging maintenance na what you call that, na required sa ating motor is yung pag-change oil. Okay? So, tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano mag-DIY change oil ng ating Suzuki Gixxer. Okay? Since maulan pa po ngayon, not a good time to change oil, but we'll push through this. So warning lang po guys, no, huwag po kayo mag-change oil, especially pag wala kayong bubong. So in my case, may bubong naman, pero half lang po yung ano niya, hindi pa po totally close yung bubong namin. So mamagyo pa dito sa Negros ngayong this time. So without further ado, simulan na po natin yung pag-change oil. So what are the tools you will need po sa pag-change oil ng ating Suzuki Gixxer? Okay. So ito 14mm na socket. Mayroon pang fireworks ito, no? Kasi may kasalan doon sa ruins. So mga taga Negros dyan, alam nyo na kung taga saan ako. Comment down below kung malapit kayo dito sa ruins. At ito, so we need the 8 sa Y tool natin. We need the 8 and 14mm na socket. Okay, at saka yung ating langgana, saluran nating oil, at yung ating funnel na nabili natin sa Mr. DIY. So ito po yung gamit nating oil guys, no? Zik. So bihira ka lang makakita na gumagamit ito. So ito po yung tested and proven ko na oil, especially sa aking Yamaha Mio Gravis. It's either Zik or Shell lang po yung ginagamit ko guys, no? Fully synthetic talaga. Hindi po ako gumagamit ng mineral oil guys, no? So mas goods yung performance ng fully synthetic compared to the mineral oil. Okay, at mas long lasting yung pagpapalit nyo ng langis pag fully synthetic yung gamit nyo. At ito po guys, no, importante ito, ugaliing magpalit ng oil filter. So yung oil filter na compatible sa atin is pang Suzuki Raider 150. Sabihin nyo lang Raider 150 Fi, ganun pa rin yun. So okay, that's our oil, Zik, fully synthetic, M9, at yung genuine talaga guys, no? So mag-ingat kayo sa fake. Mas mainam po kung genuine yung bibilhin nyo. So first step po talaga guys, no, sa pag-change oil ng motor is to let it stand. So palamigin nyo muna yung, especially pag galing kayo sa biyahe, no, palamigin nyo muna yung makina nyo. Medyo mainit pa ng konti yung makina, pero goods naman siya. Okay, tatanggalin ko to, yung aking side bag. Pang bike po yan guys, no? Pang bike rin po yan. So side bags for bicycle po yan, hindi po yan pang motor. Okay, so ito po guys, no, yung ating view for our change oil. Since may team na at lalight na yung oil change sa ating motor. So dito po located yung ating fuel filter. Ito yung lalagyan ng oil. Nasa baba yung drain plug. Okay, so i-visualize ko sa inyo kung saan po yung drain plug. So ito po yung drain plug po guys, no? 14mm po siya guys, no? So, okay, So let's start the change oil proper to guys. So bubuksan na po natin yan. Ito medyo hindi lang po masyadong open. Tapos idiriyan po natin guys. Be careful not to lose thread. Okay, good na po yun guys. Ako lang po. Pwede na lang po kamayin yung drain plug. Ingat lang kayo kapag mainit pa yung makina nyo. Kasi mapapasok po talaga kayo ng oil. This burns to 100 degrees I think. So guys, ang itim-itim na po sa guys, no? So visualize po. Itim-itim na po yung oil natin guys, no? So wait na lang po natin. Kakat ko na po yung video guys, no? So lilinisan ko lang po to. As you can see, kompleto pa naman yung washer, yung ano. While doing this, papalitan na lang po natin yung oil filter. Okay? So for the continuation ng video guys, open na po natin ito totally. Okay. Basahan dito pero may tissue naman. Kailangan naman ito guys, as long as wala pong residue ng papel. So open na po natin to yung fuel filter dito, oil filter I mean. So hindi ko lang po siya totally open po guys, no? Kasi yung moisture sa labas. Okay, open na po natin guys. Gamit using the 8. Kuhay lang po yung gamit natin guys. Tsaka bigas kasi ako. Sige. Wag na wag po kayong gumamit ng impact drill po guys, no? Especially sa makina. Dali masisira yung bolts, especially masyadong mahigpit yung pagkakalag pagkigit nyo ng bolts. This is just the most basic maintenance of all the motorcycles you can find. Change oil talaga guys. Change oil na talaga guys. Beautiful oil filter check. Oh. So, lilinisan lang po natin ito yan guys, no? Wala na to. So, check natin po yung ano, brittle na siya or hindi na or hindi pa, since hindi pa naman, medyo may bounce pa siya, goods pa naman. Huwag mo lang masyadong diin yung pag-depress para ramdaman nyo rin po. Okay, set up, wipe it up, wipe the dirty ones. Hindi pa gusto ko ito guys, no? Baka may residue. Side stand ko guys, nalagyan naman ito oil filter. stand po natin yung motor guys, no? So lalagay na po natin yung fuel oil filter, I mean. Ito po guys, no? Lalagay na po siya natin guys. But before we put it inside, lagyan po na siya natin ng oil in advance. Okay, leak. Legit leak. Zik Gold. Okay. Zik Gold. Capacity po ng capacity po natin 1 liter to guys, no? So kung lagyan ng 50 kung nagpalit kayo ng oil filter, magiging ano pa ba 1,000 talaga. Siya guys, no? Let's cover it. Wipe. We start to tighten dito sa baba compare dito sa taas. So ito lang, check yung torque lang po guys, no? Para di siya malusto. So okay na. Oil na guys, no? Huwag po kami gagamit ng impact drive. Pwede nyo gumamit ng manual na wrench. 14mm. So first, sipitan nyo lang po siya muna ng kamay for you sipitan gamit wrench. Huwag masyadong may tip po guys, maning po guys. Okay. So let's go to the final part. Lalagay na tayo ng oil. Hindi siya pa na guys. Linis yung pata natin. Okay. So ubos talaga ito. 1 liter. Sisig talaga siya. Kaya na lamang gold. After everything else, so guys, iligpit na po natin yung mga gulay natin. Always double check.
Every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love
Always
tonight.
dispose your garbage po guys, ha?
Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again. And hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts. So jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Only when I'm with you. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again. And hold on to the words we always said.
So as you can see po guys, nandiyan na po yung oil natin, filter, and goods na rin po yung siyang leaks. So I always wash my bag after I change oil kasi hirap na. Okay. So for this time guys, no, let's cycle the oil machine. watching.